Hi, welcome to Dot and Concept YouTube channel. I am Rahul, your host for today's session. I am an IT professional, blogger, and a research scholar. This is a web API tutorial series, and this is part 4 of this series. So, in this tutorial, we will learn testing web API using Postman. So, let's set the context. In last video, we created a web API and we added authentication. So this is a part 4 of the video. So we started from very beginning, created an MVC application, then we created a web API application, then we consumed web API into MVC, then in second part we created web API and we added authorization. So in last video we added an authentication to your web API. Now we want to just test our web API authentication, and for that we will use here Postman. There are various ways you can test your web API. Like you can use your REST client as well, because this runs on HTTP, so you can easily test on REST client. But most of the developers prefer Postman to test their web API. So in this video, we will test bearer authentication using Postman. We will add required data into header, and then we will test the web API and see what result we are getting. We will also test authentication behavior using authorized attribute, and we'll see how your web API behaves when we implement authorized attribute. Okay, so I think we are good to go, and I think we are good to go, and let's begin. So we will start from our existing application. So here you can see the existing application which we created in last video. So here we have already applied authorization. So this is a custom filter that we have created so far, custom authentication. And now let's see Postman. We will use Postman to test our web API. Okay, so for that we need a token, because in this video we will demonstrate like how to test bearer token. So let's set multiple project and run the application. Okay, so what we are trying to achieve is we are trying to get a token. You can get this token in other medium also, so I am just using application to get the token. So here is the token, just copy it. Okay, and I will tell you what this token is and how we will implement it. Okay, so now set it as a starter project, and first of all start it. Let's run the application. So now we have run only web API. Now this time we have not run MVC application. Okay, so here you can add your URL. Now this is a get request, and you can add any verb, but we are using get here. Now I have already copied the URL. So here is the URL that you want to test. So this API will expose employee data that we have created here and has a bearer authentication. Okay, So this is what we wanted to test. See here, we have test value. Uh, we have added user ID and password. So we created, we encrypted the value and we created a token. So that's what it is here. So we just selected bearer token and we copied the token what we have copied from my application. You can preview the request. In header you can see temporary header 1. So here is your token value. Here the key is authorization and value as bearer and our token, this one. So this token we copied from application and same we are using here to test our web API. So flow will be same like how we have already tested in this web API. In last video we saw like how to consume it. So we are same thing we are testing here. Just sending the request and you can see here auth token is equal to this, and now it will decrypt the value because this is in encrypted form. So we are just decoding it, and here you can see test and pass, username and password that we added here. So test and pass. Okay, so now here is the test and pass. This is the basically username and password that we used to create authentication. Okay, so we are passing this thing, and here you can see the data. Test 2 data, 2 names. Okay, so here it is, you can see Rahul, then second this John, and here are the data which we saw there. So same you can see here. So it is very simple to test your web API using Postman. So let's stop it, and I think we are done here. Thank you. Hi, thank you for watching our video. Hope you like this. If you like it, so please like and share the video on your social network, and if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe the channel as well. You will get more videos in coming days. You can also connect with us using a .NET Concept site. There you can find many articles and videos, and you can also connect with us on Facebook page and on Twitter handle. Thank you.